So today we are going to have present simple. Now I want one of you to read the examples. Adam, Adam عارف?
Hello, teacher.
So Adam عارف, read the first example please.
We, you, they.
First example, I like cheese. This is the first example. I like cheese. Read it please.
You don't like cheese.
Thank you,
You
Adam.
don't like
Thank you
cheese.
very much.
You don't like cheese.
Thank you. Ahmed Atiyah. Ahmed Atiyah. Ahmed Atiyah.
Yes.
Ahmed Atiyah, read the first example please.
We?
Hello? Yes. The first.
Yes.
Read the first example please.
You like cheese? You like cheese?
Thank you, Ahmed Atiyah. Okay, students, I will read the examples for you. I like cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. We like cheese. You like cheese. They like cheese. Look here, the verb like, no s at the end. No s at the end. If I want to make negative, I say I don't like cheese. We don't like cheese. You don't like cheese. They don't like cheese. Okay. Look at the next part. He likes cheese. She likes cheese. It likes cheese. What happens here? We add s to the end of the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. Look at the negative sentence. He doesn't like cheese. She doesn't like cheese. It doesn't like cheese. What happened here? When we make negative sentence with he, she, and it, we cut the final s from the verb. We use present simple to talk about habits. Habits are things that we are always doing. For example, Ali brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. I play football at break time. These things are do it over and over again and again and again. We also use present simple for things that are always true. They don't change. Like the sky is blue. This will not change. I am a student. This is not going to change. Tigers are big cats, and so on. To sum up, if the verb ends with ch, s, or sh, o, or x, we add es. For example, watch, watches. Guess, guesses, because the verb ends with s here. Finish, finishes. Go, goes. Fix, fixes. And if the verb ends with y, before y we have consonant, we change y into ies. Now, listen to me carefully. I'm going to explain this for you on papers. So our lesson today is present simple. Why we use it. Number one, to talk about habits. What are habits? Things that we repeat. And what does it mean? Example, I go to school by car. So it means that I always go to school by car. I repeat this action again and again and again. Another example for habits. They visit the zoo every month. This means that they go to the zoo every month. So they repeat the action again and again and again. What else? We use present simple for facts. What are facts? Facts, things that do not change. It means things that are always true. Example, water boils at 100 degrees. When you put water on fire, it will boil when it reaches 100 degrees. This happens all the time, and this is not going to change. Another example, the sea, the sun is hot, or the sun is a star. This is a fact, it doesn't change. Another example, the sun rises at the east. This also affect, it doesn't change. So present simple, we use it for habits. Habits that are things that are always true. We use it for facts. Facts that are things that don't change. And we have examples about facts and examples about habits. Now pay attention, please. The next part is very important. Affirmative sentence. It means positive sentence. With I, we, you, and they, you put verb without s, without es, without ies. For example, I play. Look at the verb play, no s at the end. We eat. Look at the verb eat, no s at the end. They study. Look at the verb study, no ies at the end. You work. Look at the verb work. Look at these verbs. Work is a verb. Study also is a verb. Eat is a verb. Play is a verb. We didn't put s or es or ies or ed or ing. Verb without endings. Okay. Let's move to the next part. What about affirmative sentence or positive sentence with he, she, and it? Here, add s or es or ies to the end of the verb. Let's take examples. He work, we put s to the verb work. Okay. We put s to the verb work. Why we put s here? Because the subject is he. So with he, we put s to the verb. And when we put es, she goes to school. What happened here? We add es to the end of the verb. Why we put es to the end of the verb? Because the verb ends with o. Now let's take example with ies. He studies hard. What happened here? We put ies. Why? The subject is he. And why this happened? Because study is a verb, ends with consonant plus y. So change y to ies. Okay. Now let's take how to make, let's go to the next part, how to make negative. Negative with he, with I, we, you, and they, but don't plus the verb. Let's take examples. I play, it will be I don't play. We eat, it will be we don't eat. You work, it will be you don't work. So we use don't plus the verb. Now let's move to negative with he, she, or it. Use doesn't plus verb. And don't forget cut s or es or ies. Let's take examples. this sentence, Malik, it's better to listen to me and stop playing with your keyboard. He works, it will be he doesn't work. Look, we use the doesn't and we cut S from the verb. Look at the next example. She goes to school. This is affirmative sentence. Let's make it negative. It will be she doesn't go to school. Look, students, here we use the doesn't. Iyad Tahir and Malik. Okay, Malik, stop the play. Iyad Tahir, stop playing with your keyboard and listen to me, please. Okay, she doesn't go to school. Look, we use the doesn't and we cut the ES from the verb. We use the doesn't and we cut ES from the verb. Let's take the last example before we go to the exercises. He studies hard. He doesn't study hard. Here the verb ends with IES. Because it was ending with Y, it was consonant D plus Y. And we changed Y into IES. When we use doesn't, we return it back to the original verb. In other words, we cut the IES and we put Y. Now, students, let's move to the exercises to check our understanding. Now I'm going to call you by names to answer the questions. Anas Abdurrahman. Anas Abdurrahman.
نعم يا مستر.
Can you listen to me, Anas? Hello?
نعم.
Hello?
نعم يا مستر.
Can you listen to me?
نعم يا مستر.
Okay, Anas. Okay. Question number 1. Choose. He study English every day. Which verb is correct? Don't worry, just answer. It is not a test.
Yes.
Yes. 1 or 2? This is 1 and this is 2. Which one?
مستر الصورة مش باين.
Can you see it now? Can you see the picture now? Can you see the page now?
Number 2.
This, number 2. Look, students, which shows here number 2. Why? Look, the subject. Thank you, Anas. Thank you very much. Look, what happened here? We changed Y into IES because the verb ends with consonant plus Y. Study became studies. change Y to IES. This happens with he, she, and it. Here in the first sentence, we have the subject he. So we change Y into IES. So number one is wrong, but the second word or number two is correct. Thank you, Anas. Asr Muhammad.
Yes.
Asr Muhammad, read number two, please.
She go to school every day.
Yes, one or two or three. This is one, this is two, this is three.
Goes
Yes, goes. One or two.
to.
That's right. Here, students, as Asr said, the verb ends with O. And if the verb ends with O, we add ES with he, she, and it. Thank you, Asr.
I
Hamza Wagi.
Yes.
Number three.
It plays play
Yes.
in the garden every day.
Yes.
Plays.
Letter.
The first one.
The first one. Okay. Hamza, look. Look here, please. Look at this example. Here we said he plays. We didn't change Y into IES. Why this happened? Because Y, the last letter, before it we have vowel letter. If we have vowel letter before Y, we keep it as it is. For example, play, plays. We didn't change here Y into IES. Why we did that? Because we have vowel letter plus Y, and if we have vowel letter plus Y, we don't change the Y. We keep it as it is. Okay, Hamza Wagi? Now choose again, please. Number three.
Play.
Yes, letters, please. What are the letters? This is one, this is two, this is three. One or two or three?
Two.
That's right. Ibrahim. Ibrahim.
احمد مصطفى يا مستر، الاسم بس ما اتغيرش.
احمد مصطفى.
هو المفروض احمد مش ابراهيم، معلش هغير الاسم.
مفيش مشكله، بس احمد مصطفى في 3 ايه؟
ده لسه اول حصه لينا مع حضرتك.
طيب تمام، اهلا وسهلا. احمد مصطفى. Number 4. I studies IES or I study Y or I studies YS, English every day. Number 4. Read Ahmed, please.
Read.
Ahmed Mustafa.
I.
It is not a test. Don't worry. Just read an answer. If it is wrong, it's okay.
I.
Yes.
Study.
Yes.
Study. In
English.
English.
Yes.
English.
Every day.
Every day.
Well done, Ahmed Mustafa. Here, as Ahmed Mustafa said, we choose a study. We will not change Y into IES. And also we will not add S. Why, students? Because as the grammar rule says, with I, we, you, and they, we put verb without S or no S. So the correct answer will be I study, as Ahmed Mustafa said. Okay. إبراهيم مصطفى. Okay, I think I don't know who's Ibrahim Mustafa. Ibrahim Mustafa, are you there? Okay. مالك الجنيدي.
ابراهيم هو احمد يا مستر.
طيب تمام. مالك الجنيدي.
Yes.
مالك. Number 5.
Yes.
Read and answer, please.
We go to school every day.
Yes. Which one?
Number 3.
Yes, number 3. Thank you, Malik. Look, students, here, as Malik said, we don't put S or ES or even IES if the subject or the first word or the pronoun is we. And this is also true with I and you and they. I, we, you, they, don't put S to the end of the verb. Thank you, Malik. Omar Mu'min.
Yes.
Number 6, please.
You eat a sandwich every day. You eat.
You eat. Thank you. The same is true here. We choose eat without S because the subject is you. Thank you, Omar. Muaz.
Yes.
Muaz, number 7, please.
Okay. They drink milk every day.
Yes.
Drink.
Drink. Can we put drinks here, Muaz? Can we say drinks?
No.
Can we use S if the subject is they?
No.
No, thank you, Muaz. Well done.
Teacher, me.
Adam?
Yes.
Adam. No, 8.
Number 8.
Yes, number 8.
I study English every day.
Well done. Thank you. أحمد عطية. أحمد عطية.
Yes.
9, please. Read and answer.
9.
Yes.
We play in the garden every day. We give our play.
Again, please.
Play.
Play. Thank you, Ahmed Atiyah. The answer is play. Well done. Ahmed Asam or Malik Asam? Malik Asam is not answering. Hello? Are you Malik? Hello, Malik Asam? Malik Asam? Are you
Yes.
Ahmed? Okay, Malik Asam. Number 10, please.
You studies English every day.
Okay.
Study.
Yes, study. Thank you, Malik Asam. Iyad Muhammad.
Yes, Mister.
Iyad. 11 please.
They has hurry to school every day.
Yes.
They hurry.
They hurry, this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yet, stay with me for a few seconds, please. Can we put
Okay.
S if the subject is they?
No.
Thank you. Can we change Y into IES if the subject is they?
No.
Thank you, Iyad. Ahmad Mustafa. Ahmad Mustafa. Ahmad Mustafa answered before.
نعم.
I'm sorry, Ahmad Mustafa, I have to leave you because there are some students I didn't ask them. Sorry. Iyad, Muhammad, Hamza, Wagih, Ibrahim, Malik, Iyad Tahir. Iyad Tahir. Iyad Tahir. 11. Repeat after me. They. Sorry, 12. Sorry, 12. I don't. I doesn't. I doing. Study. What do you think, Iyad? I say I don't study, or I doesn't study, or I doing study? Excellent. Thank you, Iyad. Muhannad Sarhan.
What?
This question, please. Number 13. Read and answer.
I don't study.
Okay, this is 12. 13, please.
We don't go to school.
Yes, we don't go to school. Thank you. Ziad. Ziad.
Yes.
This Ziad, question 14.
You
Yes.
don't all. Doesn't all doing
Yes, you don't drink milk, or you doesn't drink milk, or you doing drink milk.
don't.
Excellent, Ziad. Excellent. Thank you very much. Muhammad Hilmi.
Yes.
15. Read.
He
Yes.
doesn't play football.
Excellent. Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi. Muhammad Hilmi, can I say he don't?
No.
Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi. That's right. Ahmad Hilmi, 16.
She doesn't have to
Yes.
wait.
Yes, she doesn't hurry to work. Excellent. Excellent, Ahmad Hilmi. Mazen, you don't have a microphone. Add your microphone, please, Mazen. Wahbi Ibrahim.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, Tayyib.
Yes.
17 Tayyib, please.
It doesn't catch a mouse.
Thank you, Tayyib. That's right. It doesn't catch a mouse. It takes a doesn't in
Okay.
negative sentence. Okay. Omar Mustafa.
Yes.
18, please.
They doesn't doing watch TV.
Okay.
They don't.
Yes, they don't. Thank you
They
very
don't.
much. Yeah, they don't. Thank you very much. Okay. Mazen.
هو
Mazen. Mazen. I'm going to raise a question for you.